Good day, everyone. It is the 14th of January of 2025, and we are back to continue discussing the same concept or the same graph that has been discussed in my previous video. In this case naman, ang tinatanong sa atin is yung approximate ratio ng amounts allocated to education in Thailand for 1997 and 1998. So for us to answer this, all we have to do is focus on the FEI of Thailand. So in this particular example, yung 5.09 for 1997 can be rounded down to 5. And at 1998, yung 5.82 can be rounded up to 6. Ang mangyayari ngayon is imumultiply natin respectively yung percentage noong 1997 para sa education sector ng Thailand sa FEI nila. Tapos, same din yung gagawin natin para sa 1998 percentage allocated budget or FEI um, ng Thailand. So, all we have to do is do 25 times 5 and then i-ratio natin siya sa 60 times 6. Okay. So since naka-percent to, ang magiging sagot natin ay naka-decimal. So this will be 1.25 is to 3.60. Pero kailangan natin siyang i-simplify in such a way na magiging whole number sila parehas. So all we have to do is move the decimal two places to the right and we will get 125 is to 360. Pero hindi pa kasi ito yung final answer since pwede pang i-simplify further itong dalawang to. So if we are going to divide both sides by 5, we will get 25 is to 72. And that gives us letter B, 25 is to 72 as the answer. Wala nang mas isi-simplify pa to kasi wala naman ng common factor between 25 and 72. So that gives us letter B as our final answer. If you would like to know more about the kinds of question you might encounter in civil service exam, please do give me a follow and maybe hit the subscribe button. For now, we are done with this particular example, and I hope to see you in the next videos that I will be uploading. Thank you and have a great day.